當小弟喺説錄緊呢條片嘅時間，低賤嘅國家仍然喺度繼續佢哋種族滅絕式嘅屠殺。小弟呢，當然就係講緊以色列喺加沙所做嘅暴行。好，各位好，小弟遇到，咁歡迎大家嚟到遇到嘅頻道，咁大家記緊呢訂閱，撳一撳個鐘仔，咁同埋呢 set 好個通知，咁大家就唔會再錯過小弟嘅分享同埋直播噶啦。嗱，咁我哋呢睇下今日呢最新嘅情況嚇，咁大家呢都可以見到呢個呢係講緊呢嚇12月12號至13號，咁原來呢就喺呢12號至13號嘅晏晝中間啲24小時嘅時間呢，咁呢就最少有196位巴勒斯坦人呢係被殺，咁然之後另外499位呢就係受傷，呢個係最少嘅數目。咁自從喺10月7號開始呢個屠殺開始呢，一直到而家呢，最少有18608位巴勒斯坦人呢係死亡，咁而且有超過5萬人係受傷嘅。咁而且最令人憤慨嘅就係大概呢70%左右嘅死亡人士呢，大部分都係呢個呢女性同埋小朋友。咁相反，我哋睇翻以色列嗰邊咧，發生又死咗幾多人呢？以色列嗰度呢，就報告翻過嚟啦，就喺加沙嗰度呢，自從地面戰開始呢，以色列嘅士兵呢就死咗115人，619人係受傷。其實我哋見到呢係完全係一面倒嘅屠殺嚟噶，因為我哋見到呢雙方面嘅死傷率呢，可以話係差唔多去到1:100啊。咁所以咧係可以睇到咧，其實以色列嘅士兵咧真係入到去咧係大屠殺咁樣，只係咧偶然地咧先會有佢哋嘅傷亡咯。咁其實咧唔單止係個人數方面咧，令我覺得好憤慨啦。另外咧就係以色列不斷咁樣咧響處攻擊緊加沙嘅設備咧，個選擇咧亦都係令我非常之憤慨噶。咁例如咧，喺12月13號咧，其實已經係連續嘅第2日，以色列嘅士兵咧，就佢哋咧係帶埋坦克就去一間醫院入邊咧係擄掠咁，同埋咧就係捉咗好多人咁，而且咧佢哋嘅攻擊目標咧唔單止係醫院，亦都包括有學校。咁所以咧佢哋全部都係針對平民嘅設施。呢個呢係一個不折不扣嘅戰爭罪行，但係唔通真係聯合國冇佢符咩？聯合國真係冇佢符，因為呢聯合國呢就所有嘅要求馬上停火嘅決議案呢，全部係俾美國否決。呢一對惡魔兄弟呢，真係全世界可以話多得佢哋唔少啊！亦都喺呢度呢，我哋真係可以睇到呢，聯合國呢其實係完全冇力、沒有力量呢去維持呢個世界嘅和平，因為呢，只要一日美國就有否決權，聯合國都唔使旨意做到任何嘢。咁呢啲咁嘅垃圾大國呢，又是否決停火。今時今日呢，真係呢，如果仲喺輿論上仍然相信佢哋嗰班真係絕對係白痴嚟噶。好遺憾嘅就係，原來連香港都有呢啲咁嘅白痴小弟呢，喺某啲群組入邊仍然見到呢啲咁嘅白痴言論，係傾向以色列嗰一方面。呢一樣嘢咧，真係令人相當之遺憾。咁當然啦，我哋如果睇以色列同埋睇美國嘅話呢，我哋見到嘅全部都係人性嘅醜惡。咁但係呢，其實喺呢一個屠殺底下呢，我哋仍然見到咧人性光輝嘅一面，因為我哋睇到喺全世界有好多人呢係不畏懼任何打壓，堅持講真話，堅持企喺巴勒斯坦人嗰一邊就係指責暴政同埋美國以色列嘅暴行嘅。我哋之前呢有睇過呢，就係有啲呢哈佛嘅法律系嘅學生咁樣呢就係之前呢就係有企出嚟就係杯葛呢個以色列嘅演講啦。咁同埋我哋見到聯合國嘅職員呢，就因為咁樣而辭職啦。咁其實呢，我哋呢最近呢亦都可以見到一位呢加拿大嘅醫生呢，亦都呢喺社交媒體上面呢係貼出咗佢嘅講話。咁到底佢講啲乜嘢呢？我哋而家不妨大家一齊睇一睇呢條片。
We are reaching the point of no return, where blatant disregard for international humanitarian law, scars our collective consciousness. As of this morning, 283 healthcare workers in Gaza have been killed. The last 2 months has been the deadliest conflict in United Nations history, with 133 of their staff members killed. There have been 212 attacks on Gaza healthcare facilities since October 7th. This includes 24 different hospitals that have been bombed by Israel, over 100 ambulances that have been put out of service. Israel has arrested dozens of doctors. Their whereabouts remain unknown. The head of the main hospital, Shifa Hospital in Gaza City, Mohammed Abu Salmiya, has been under Israeli arrest since November 22nd. Many other senior doctors have continued to be held by the Israeli military for almost 2 weeks with no charges, and no one knows their whereabouts. Rantizi Pediatric Subspecialty Hospital, bombed. Al Nasser Pediatric Hospital, bombed. Gaza's only eye hospital, bombed. Gaza's only mental health hospital, bombed. Wafa Rehabilitation Hospital, bombed. The seniors facility immediately adjacent to Wafa Rehabilitation Hospital, bombed. Al Jura Children's Hospital, targeted with prohibited white phosphorus, October 12th. Indonesian Hospital, the only hospital currently operating in the north, still trying to treat patients while being bombed. Shifa Hospital, bombed. The 2 medical schools in Gaza, Islamic University of Gaza, bombed. Al-Azhar University Medical School, bombed. Médecins Sans Frontières ambulance convoy, bombed. Red Cross ambulance convoys, bombed. Of 35 hospitals in Gaza, as of this morning, 26 are non-functional, 9 remaining only partially functional, but they are operating at more than double their capacity, with critical shortages of basic supplies and fuel. These facilities are also providing shelter to thousands of internally displaced people. Palestine Red Crescent Society yesterday announced that operations of their ambulances in northern Gaza has stopped due to depletion of fuel, hospital closures. It is now impossible to evacuate wounded people in the north. Instead, those patients are left to die. As of this morning, over 17,000 Palestinian people have been killed, including over 7,000 children. There are at least 46,000 people injured, thousands of whom are critically injured. There is insufficient hospital space to treat even a fraction of these patients. Massively overcrowded United Nations shelters have become havens to spread infectious diseases, including a hepatitis A outbreak, multiple meningitis outbreaks, lice, skin infections, and multiple diarrheal illness outbreaks. The United Nations Human Rights Office has declared on December 5th the pattern of attacks that target civilian infrastructure raises serious concerns about Israel's compliance with international humanitarian law and raises the risk of atrocity crimes. There have been immeasurable numbers of violations of special protection to civilians, children, and medical personnel, and widespread violations of international humanitarian law.
好，咁我哋頭先見到嗰位咧 Dr. Ben Thompson 咁樣咧就我哋睇咧見到佢所講嘅嗰一紮咧，其實全部都係一啲數據咧，實質嘅數據啦。咁我哋咧可以睇到咧，到底加沙地帶咧係到底發生緊啲咩慘況嗱？咁其實點解小弟咧特別要同大家分享呢一位醫生佢所嘅講話咧？因為呢位醫生咧真係小弟非常之佩服，佢非常之勇敢。佢喺加拿大安大略省嘅行醫嘅咁佢咧。就係原來佢之前喺10月份嘅時候呢，係已經咧因為講真話呢係被迫害過，停過工係1個月㗎。嗱，咁喺呢度呢，其實我哋睇翻呢個報道呢，就唔單止呢，佢係被停工，佢甚至係被恐嚇包括呢係佢啲同事同埋佢間醫院都恐嚇佢。咁甚至呢係有人呢係留言俾佢呢係語帶恐嚇㗎。咁甚至咧，亦都有人咧，好似嗰陣時咧，香港2019黑暴暴亂嘅時候咧，嗰啲黑暴所做嘅一樣有啲人咧係將佢起底，將佢咧屋企地址咧，甚至係分享喺網上面咁最後佢係要向嗰個專業網站嘅負責機構咧申訴，先至可以咧叫佢咧除去佢自己私人地址呢一個資料。咁所以咧，你話咧外國嘅機構到底一個二個響處做緊啲咩嘢啊？咁其實咧，我哋呢一度咧，可以大家咧詳細睇一睇。咁小弟咧呢一度咧就係佢所講嘅嗰個真話針對嘅係咩咧？就係當其時咧，美國嘅政客同埋以色列嘅政府同埋媒體都係講咧話有嬰兒咧係俾哈馬斯咧組織係斬頭。咁其實咧，當其時咧，佢已經喺網上面咧係出咗呢一番聲明，就係話根本冇咁嘅事。咁其實咧，我亦都知道喺美國嘅政客，包括拜登咧，其實後來咧都馬上係否認咗，話佢冇見到有真憑實據。咁即係話咧，其實咧呢位 Dr. Ben Thompson 咧，佢所講嘅説話咧係已經咧有事實嘅支持。但係結果咧，佢間醫院都係選擇要將佢停牌。不過咧，好彩，我哋見到咧頭先嗰個 video 入邊咧，佢已經係着翻佢嘅醫生服，咁而且咧係帶住聽診嘅儀器。咁所以小弟咧好相信咧，其實佢已經係復咗工噶啦。不過咧我哋亦都可以睇到咧，呢位醫生佢嘅崇高人格係響佢被迫害之後，甚至咧係被人起底，甚至係俾人恐嚇之後，其實佢正義感咧係一啲咧都冇少到噶。咁所以佢仍然咧好勇敢咁企出嚟啦，就係公眾咧同大家咧揭示加沙而家所面對緊嘅慘況，揭示以色列嘅暴行。咁其實咧我哋睇到由呢度可以睇到啦歐美國家包括加拿大，其實佢哋所謂言論自由到底係啲乜嘢嘢呢？係咪真真正正嘅自由呢？定係咧我哋真係可以信佢一成，雙目失明，可以完全唔理會佢呢？而且咧我哋見到咧一啲所謂嘅國際指數咧，例如好似咧原來有一個叫全球嘅自由指數。咁呢個自由指數咧係由一個所謂國際性機構做出嚟嘅，呢個叫 Freedom House 所做出嚟啦。根據每個國家嘅自由度同埋咧啲人嘅可以參與政治嘅程度咧，嚟到去做一個排名。加拿大呢個咧一有人講真話馬上打壓嘅國家，大家估下佢排名第幾啊？冇第一咁高，係不過咧我哋可以見到咧，佢其實咧加拿大咧都排名第5啊。咁所以呢啲所謂咧國際性嘅指數，即係小弟可以講句咧，佢哋真係全部廢話嚟噶。咁但係咧，始終咧呢個世界就係有啲咁無恥。呢個世界咧就係有啲咁無恥嘅國家，咁無恥嘅機構咧，一直擘大眼響樹講大話。其實呢啲就算有咁多呢啲咁無恥嘅國家，滿口謊言嘅人，包括呢啲國家入邊嘅政客，包括佢哋嘅媒體，包括佢哋所謂嘅國際組織，一路響住擘大眼講緊大話，但係真相呢，始終係唔會俾佢哋打壓，同埋一路講大話呢，而俾佢打低㗎。咁所以喺呢度呢，好希望大家一定要加入呢，支持真相呢個國際嘅大潮流。我哋一見到真實嘅嘢，我哋一定要將佢呢分享開去，盡量話俾身邊嘅人知，等佢哋呢睇清楚呢個世界到底係點嘅樣嘅。好，小弟今次嘅分享到呢度為止，非常之感謝大家嘅收睇同埋支持。如果大家係喜歡今次呢一段片嘅，好希望大家幫忙點讚、 留言同埋將佢分享出去。我哋下一個話題再傾過。